Hey guys, PJ here with Exotic Car Hacks, and today is an exciting day because the last time we spoke about this car, the Lamborghini Urus, we were picking it up and doing a review of how incredible it was because it was my Pearl capsule. And today, no, I'm not selling it. Well, not yet anyways, maybe at some point soon. But today we are going in the Lamborghini Urus Pearl capsule to pick up my next Lamborghini. And if you had been watching the video when I picked up this one, I specifically pointed to a really cool STO that was white in the showroom, and I said mine is coming. And I'm always a man of my word. I don't invent shit, unlike a lot of YouTubers. You know who you are pretending to buy shit. So we ordered an incredible STO, a beautiful STO. It was one of a kind. It was a car that no one had spec'd in that color yet. You will recognize the color as soon as you see it, but no one has done it on the STO. I wanted to do it through Ad Personam, so I went ahead and paid $20,000 for the paint. All carbon options. We're about to go on discover it today because it just arrived yesterday. And a super big shout out to Lamborghini Palm Beach for making this happen. This is my 20th car there, but nonetheless, they've always been accommodating and helping me bring this vision to life about some of these cars. So I'm really excited to share with you my new STO in just a few minutes as we approach the dealership. Exciting because it was delayed 3 months because of COVID. So it was supposed to get here end of November. It just got here mid-January, but nonetheless, it is here. That's all that matters. It is gonna go get modded. So we're gonna get a preview of it right now as we arrive at the dealership. We're gonna unveil it, take a look at it, and then next week it's gonna go get modded, come back and be ready for its review, use, and just fun. And I'm really excited about this because I know you guys saw I just bought like a $2 million P1, but I also really prefer to drive these cars that are like under 500 because I feel more comfortable on the road with something like that. It's not as much of an investment as something fun. So we're gonna take a look at the STO. And again, don't forget, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready for this because it's super exciting. We're pulling in now. Let's see it, baby. You ready? All right, guys, so here we are at Lamborghini Palm Beach, and we're excited to uncover the ultimate STO. So follow me over. We're gonna go, they're getting it ready in the back, so let's move through. Hope you guys are excited about this. We've been waiting quite a long time. This is pretty cool, actually. I think this is what the STO was built off of, but come on in. Oh, you're good. Come on in, guys. Are you fine? You can be in the video. It's a cool place to be. It's all good. Come on in. Come on through. Look at this, absolutely amazing. So we are unveiling now my latest acquisition, which is the Blu Glauco STO. So 8 months in the making, incredible car. We decided to do all carbon options here. So basically everywhere, carbon everywhere. Just beautiful, absolutely stunning in person. Way better in person than in pictures. I'm telling you, this color is near impossible to capture in photos. So if you've seen me post photos of this on my Instagram, there is nothing as close to this in person. Nothing. One, you can really see the carbon. And one thing we decided to do with this car, which was really important, we kept the livery, which this is usually the thing that is another color. We kept it gloss black to create a much more serious look. And then we did, of course, all carbon options inside out, which is super important, including the scoop in the back and everything. And it really makes a difference in visually stunning. I mean, visually spectacular. The wing in carbon. The doors are carbon, the inside vents are carbon, really, really accentuates the car, and I think it just came out spectacular. So let the video do a really good job at giving you a good view into the car inside out. Take a look at the interior here. We did the secondary in yellow because yellow just works so well with Blu Glauco. One thing I wish I could have done differently, which I couldn't because it would have taken much longer, is you see this yellow piece in the middle. I wish this was black. It's a lot of yellow, and it basically takes your eyes away from the beauty of the seats, which are also carbon. But that's one thing that's like, would have done different, that maybe down the road, if I keep the car long enough, I might reupholster it, add a different color. But other than that, I think a spectacular design and a spectacular look all around. Alcantara everywhere, carbon sport seats, you know, carbon doors, carbon vents, and it's just one thing that I love about how Lamborghini went away from the forged carbon. I loved it in the Performante, but I think it's such a better thing with the regular carbon. It's just so much more beautiful. And we continue here on the back. You'll notice the similar style rear deck lid as the SVJ that I have, where you can basically with 2 keys just remove it, and you can see the carbon work all around. And of course, my favorite, I'm too poor, license plate transferred onto this. And no, I did not sell my SVJ, for those of you wondering, so that is still there. But this is a good look. So you're now getting your first view and first checkout of my newest and latest acquisition, the Blu Glauco STO. And a very well-loaded car in the low 400s. Actually, should I say like 4.25 sticker, but pretty much as loaded as it comes. The only option we really didn't do was the livery here, which makes the roof black and everything else, which we'll experiment with in person and see how we feel about wrapping that in matte black PPF and see how it comes out. But otherwise, I think in person it's just beautiful, and I think it just hits home just perfect. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you like, turn on notifications, and subscribe. And again, if you haven't yet, take the training in the description, because I'm going to teach you how to get in and out of exotics, enjoy them for a year, 2 years, 6 months, whatever it is, and get out without losing any money. So click the link. I'll see you inside the training, okay? Good luck, guys. See you next time.